Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Whiteboard 101, the series in which I answer your most important questions about cryptocurrencies in less than 2 minutes. And today we are answering the question, what is a white paper and why should you read it? Now, a white paper is nothing more than a formalized statement of how a cryptocurrency works. Some of the things that you might find in a white paper are the goals of the project, the timeline for achieving those goals, the strategies for implementing those goals, the tokenomics. So in other words, how does the token derive value? What's the value proposition? What is this coin bringing to the market that doesn't currently exist? And the reason that this is so important is because it provides a rationale for investing in the project. It's, in my opinion, not a good idea to just throw money at random cryptocurrencies. Rather, you want to find one that you think solves a useful problem. And the way that you do that is by looking at these white papers and seeing what a cryptocurrency is attempting to solve. It's no different than in looking at a prospectus before you invest in a mutual fund, or a letter to shareholders, or an annual report before you invest in a stock. You want to make sure that the cryptocurrency or the company aligns with your investing philosophy. Now, the drawbacks of white papers is that they're simply written documents, and we know that people can lie sometimes. And there's actually been a lot of, well, not a lot, but there's been issues where a highly polished white paper will simply be a cover to take people's funds through an ICO. So they're not perfect, but they do provide good information. So where does that leave us? Basically, I like to say that reading a white paper is necessary, but not sufficient for investing in a cryptocurrency project. You want to read the white paper to make sure that you agree with the goals of the project, but once you agree with that, you want to do a little bit deeper digging to make sure if the white paper is something that the team actually plans on carrying through with. Obviously, there's risk involved with this. You have to do your own research, and I can't tell you what projects to invest in, but I do think it's critically important to read the white paper. If nothing else, it gives you a general overview of the cryptocurrency project, and it serves as a little bit of a sanity check. If the white paper is all over the place and doesn't make sense, then that might not be a cryptocurrency you want to invest in. But if you like the concept, it's well written, then it makes sense to dig a little bit deeper and consider the cryptocurrency. So, I hope you all found the video useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.